Hi, I'm Miguel Furaganan and with me is my uncle, Tito Alvin. And here we have our Fortuner GRS.
And our Toyota Zenix.
We also have our Corolla Cross, Altis 11 Gen, Altis 11.5 Gen, 12 Gen, 12 Gen Corolla GRS.
And we also have our Corolla Love Life and the Prado J120.
And I guess you can call us literal the Toyota family.
Ano yung feeling na we can do our own car meet, no? Nakaka-happy din kasi sometimes when people pass by, no, they would think na merong meetup pang Toyota doon or a Toyota club, no? Pero really, it's just us family getting together.
So whenever I would post online, people would ask me, "Uy, kanino yan?" So I would answer them, yan, sa dad ko yan. Yung isa sa tito ko. Yung isa sa kapatid ko lang yan. So it's nice to know that people get to recognize our cars.
We'll always park na sobrang palinya.
Kahit sa mall, lagi kami magkakatabi niyan. Hanap kami ng maluwag na spot. Dapat lahat kami magkakatabi.
Paborito namin yung mga parking spaces na sobrang open and makaka-park kami lahat na magkakatabi. Back then, no, I got my first Toyota. It was a Toyota 1991 Corolla. Call it the small body. Gusto ko yung tayo and forma niya. Never niya ako iniwan, no, sa kalsada. So I never had any major problems with that model. So now we are in our, I think, X number of Toyota with this Toyota Zenix, no? And we still continue to choose Toyota because its reliability and of course, yung ganda din ng forma niya, no? It can really compete with the other brands, no? Especially the European brands din, no?
For me naman, bakit Toyota Corolla ang choice ko? Well, puro Toyota naman binibili ng pamilya ko eh. Pero I personally chose the Toyota Corolla as my first car. And it was given to me by my lola. Yung lola ko, doktor siya. So, syempre, ginagamit niya pang rounds is Toyota Corolla rin. Itong 12 Gen naman, gift niya sa akin as my grad gift. So I decided to go with the Corolla kasi syempre, #1 selling car sa buong mundo. And from that, impressive na. What I like about my car are the looks, the drivability, the comfort, and syempre yung reliability niya. Kasi never ako nagkaroon ng sakit sa ulo sa kotseng to. And sa looks naman, naglagay ako ng Supra wheels. So nagmukhang aggressive yung kotse. Then kinumber ko na lang. Yun lang naman yung secret recipe namin eh. Lower lang, magandang mag-clear tint. And yeah, yung sunroof ko pala. Yeah, nagmukha siyang Euro car, pero reliable.
Compared to other brands, no, na why do we keep choosing Toyota, no, as a brand or as our family cars? #1 talaga sa amin is yung reliability, no, ng engine. I have a Prado, a J120 Prado. That's a 2004 Prado. It's still alive today. It already has 140,000 kilometers. So change oil lang, clean the brakes. So that's what really sets Toyota apart from the other Japanese brands, no. Like itong Fortuner namin, no. Ang dami ng gen ng Fortuner, no, na out in the market. And sobrang tinatangkilik talaga siya ng Filipinos. Regarding naman sa innovation projects ng Toyota, no, if you take a look at the Zenix, no, we got a hybrid kasi actually I got it because I know they're at the forefront in terms of innovation, no. They started actually with the Prius. When it came to us deciding to get our first hybrid, I chose the Zenix, I chose a Toyota because I know that they've researched about it already, no. And alam nila yung ginagawa nila. Ako kasi I believe na if it's not broken, or if it ain't broke, don't fix it, diba? You don't need to fix it. And I think, yun nga, that's the strength of a Toyota car. Sobrang nagtatagal siya. Engine and yung mechanicals niya, sobrang tibay. And second, yung looks, it's timeless. So for me, no, whenever I buy a car, no, I usually keep it for like 5 to 6 years. Only because I want to change in model. Ganyan, if meron akong Corsonada na bagong model in the market. So that's really the only reason I buy a brand new car. For Toyota, I don't even mind the after sales kasi I know, #1, yun nga, yung parts reliability nandyan. And it's not as expensive as the European cars we have. Like my Prado, I got it second hand. Because I know that if naalagaan yung Toyota, it will really go a long way, no?
So for me, as a younger generation, Toyota has a pace of their own. Di ba maraming modern cars and they end up looking like each other. And what I like about Toyota is that they stand out with their designs. Hindi sila sumusunod sa trend, yung mga spaceship na design, yung mga malalaking screen. Pero when it comes to the modern Toyotas, like the BZ4X, yung mga Camry, I like their design. Toyota still has that Toyota DNA.
After 3 decades of choosing Toyota, no, it will still be a Toyota for me. And for my next Toyota, it will be an electric vehicle. It will be an EV. It will be a family car. No?
And for me, I would choose siguro sa GR lineup ngayon yung Corolla. Siyempre Corolla tayo, nasa bloodline namin yun. Yung maganda sa Toyota is that they make fun cars like yung nasa GR lineup, yung Supra, Yaris, and Corolla.
And on top of that, no, they still continue to cater to family guys like me, no, with their people movers, with their 7-seaters, no. At yun yung maganda talaga sa Corolla, yung versatility, no. Para siyang one-stop shop for a family, no. It can be for your dad, it can be for your son, and me, I can also drive his Corolla.
Ay,
Pero ako,
Di ako sure dun.